All right, now I'm just making a video, but it's not live or anything. I'll upload it later. Right, we're right at the Colorado-New Mexico state line here, and we're headed north. Raton Pass. So we were just talking about how, you know, I love the snow. I mean, I know it's cold. It's nicer to wear shorts, and if it's 70 degrees, I get it, but it's still adventuresome, and it's, you know.
I like that word, adventuresome.
Yeah, you know, it's exciting.
That's what it is.
Oh, and I forgot to do a not too shabby up there.
Oh, that would have been good.
Oh, I know.
There's another overlook.
The scenic overlook, maybe? So.
Spring snowstorm. Not too shabby.
Usually every spring I do it.
Yeah? Because we always get more snow in the spring.
I know. I don't know though. Glad you got me out of the house, Bill.
Yeah, me too. It was a good idea. It's fun. Adventuresome.
Yeah. Adventurous, or whatever the word is.
Yeah, adventurous.
You know.
Yeah. So
we went to Loaf and Jug.
Do you want me to pull over?
You know, I'm just not feeling it. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. After biking across America, I did 128 not too shabbies.
Did you?
And I'm not sick of doing them, but I'm kind of like, I only do about one a week, and only if I really like it.
Gotcha.
You know, I'm kind of just gotta take a break. We got coffee at Loaf and Jug. Ooh, I dropped my phone here. Might be upside down.
We got cops getting people off the road.
Ooh.
F-150.
So, I did this in another video, but I'm talking to my viewers. Bill's got these Broncos headrest.
Broncos.
So he's got another one over here. That's right, this is Broncos country. Denver Broncos. Not Oakland, San Diego, Kansas City.
Oh.
Although I kind of like Kansas City, the town.
Right.
And San Diego.
The Chiefs are all right.
Yeah.
But, so they've been doing the draft, and they show the Chargers.
Yeah.
It says LAC.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, the Clippers are up next.
Oh.
So I've started calling the Chargers the Clippers.
That's probably fitting.
It is fitting, isn't it?
I think of licensed, LAC stands for licensed addictions counselor.
That too, but you see it on a thing, and on a sports thing, and that's the first thing I thought of was, oh, the Clippers, and I'm like, wait a minute, this is football. But so I've started calling the Chargers the Clippers. The LA Chargers.
See, this is a little frightening. You're only going 35.
Right.
But
and then you can.
no, I know.
This isn't as bad as some of those grooves.
Yeah.
On the other side of the pass.
So there you have it. Snow, late April.